Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix monitor turns off and goes blocked randomly in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that you can do is at the start icon, you need to do a right click, scroll up and go with Device Manager. Okay, so once you have successfully opened your device manager, expand it first, and here you need to look for monitors. Okay, click on it and click this forward arrow, and there you can see the integrated monitor that you have in your machine. Here you need to do a right click and go with Update Driver. And here in this window, it will opt you to choose two options, which are search for automatically and browse manually. Go with the search for automatically. Okay. And when your computer says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, click this backward arrow and proceed to browse my computer for drivers. Go with the second one, and here, select one by one the available monitor in your computer. I mean, in my case, I only have one. But if you have two to three options, select one by one, click on next, and then restart your computer and check the other. Then click on next and just have to observe what will work for you and that will fix your problem. Once done, if your problem doesn't fix, then let's move on to our second step, which is here at the bottom search bar, you need to search for Edit Power. Once you've typed that, the best match, which is Edit Power Plan, would appear. Click on Open to continue. The moment you've clicked on it, this Edit Plan Settings window would appear. Here you need to change the turned off display into never. Okay. And plugged in into never. Put the computer to sleep into never. And plugged in on battery, put the computer to sleep, never. Once done, click on Save Changes and close this window. And check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So once you have closed the window and your problem hasn't still persist, then let's move on to our last step, which is here again at the bottom search bar. Let's search again for Edit Power Plan. Go with the best match and click on Open. Okay, so here in the Edit Plan settings, this time you need to proceed to change Advanced Power Settings. Click on it and this Power Options window would appear. Here you need to look for PCI Express. Okay. Click this add icon and go with link state power management. Click this add icon and here in battery change this into off, plugged in into off, then apply and then OK. Once done, check if your problem has been fixed. I'm sure it will be fixed for you. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.